Spring Security allows you to configure authorization based upon authority and roles. Let's try to see what is authority and what is role and what's the difference between them. So when we say granted authority or authority, it's an single individual privilege or permission. We can say the user has read-only access or read, update, delete access. So in this scenario, read, update, delete, all these are authorities. Using authorities, we can restrict access in a fine-grained manner, whereas role is a group of authorities and privileges. You can group authorities into a single role. You may have a requirement in your application that you don't want to go with authorities. I want to main roles inside my application like admin, normal user, supervisor, employer, employee. So for all such scenarios, we can also have roles configured using Spring Security, and for roles, we can have a group of privileges. Using roles, we can restrict access in a coarse-grained manner. The names that you give for authorities or roles, they are arbitrary in nature. You don't have to follow that what I am showing in this slide. You can have whatever authority you want. Instead of read, I can say read only. Instead of update, I can say create. Similarly for roles also, instead of admin, I can say super admin. Instead of user, I can say customer. So it's up to your business requirement. So whatever you mention in the database and in Spring Security configurations, they have to match. That's it. The names are up to us. And the way how these roles and authorities works are very similar in nature inside Spring Security. There is no difference on how you configure authorities and roles except the method names. To differentiate whether this is an authority or role, usually we have to give a prefix role underscore for all roles, which indicates to the Spring Security, okay, this is a role, whereas without this prefix will be treated as a authority. So now we know what is authority, what is role. Let's try to understand in the next video how to configure roles inside database and how to configure them inside your application using Spring Security Framework. Thank you and bye.